Hi there everyone, Shadowboy12 here. This is actually going to be a different kind of video. Usually these kind of videos would be posted on Shadowboy12 Response, but I figured I would actually post onto Mr. Shadowboy12 since most of my topic videos are on that channel. I don't know if you guys all remember about my HST video I did. I actually said in the video that once I get the check from the HST, the government, I would be doing a video about it. Well, I finally got it on June 10th. It was like maybe a week and a half ago, and it's quite confusing too. I got letters. I got a letter and a little card. Actually, it's quite confusing. You probably would be confused too. And it says, my name, Ontario tax change will help create 591,000 jobs. And that means they're promising almost 6,000 jobs. 600,000 jobs. Cut personal income tax and make our province more attractive for new business investment. As part of that plan, on July 1st, 2010, a federal and provincial sales tax will be merged into one single sales tax, the HST. Okay? And actually it says more. It says they help throughout the transition. You are receiving the sales tax transition benefits with payment delivered in June, December, and in June 2011. This is an additional to the personal income tax cut that starts this year. For more information, they actually say, go to ontario.ca/tax change. And it's sincerely Dalton McGuinty, our Premier of Ontario. Like seriously, are you trying to impress me by giving me $100? Like literally, are you trying to impress me by giving me $100? Like, am I supposed to do something for it? Because technically, you're giving me $100, but really I'm going to be paying that $100 back after I'm buying everything in the stores, coffee, groceries, anything that involves groceries. I'll be paying the HST. So technically, my $100 is going to them back. So, and it says, it's quite funny though too. It says right here, did you know the Ontario tax change in the HST will help create nearly 600,000 more jobs? But in the letter, actually says 591,000. I mean, if you're gonna fool me, I mean, do it in a different way. Because to be quite honest, these letters and this card and giving me $100 ain't gonna be it, really. Because to be quite honest, if you're gonna feed me baloney, then I might as well take that $100 that you gave me and go to the grocery store and get me some baloney. So I don't need to worry in the nearest future that $100 that you've given me, it's all gonna go down the drain. I'm gonna be giving it to you back, technically. So another thing that says right here, if there is no change to your situation, we will direct deposit your December 2010 payment into your account, but will not mail a separate notice to tell you about the deposit. And then the card says, did you know? About 83% of consumers purchase will see no new tax under the HST. Well, of course not. I mean, if you're going to hide it, I mean, do it in a better way. It says items like basic groceries, prescription drugs, and municipal public transit will be accepted from the HST. So technically, from what I'm seeing, they're not going to charge from groceries, basic groceries, and prescription drugs, and some kind of public transit. So, what are your thoughts? What is everyone's thoughts about this whole HST thing? I mean, to me, I think it's all BS. I think it's all BS. I mean, yeah, you might be getting $100, but look at those single people that has kids. They made a mistake in their life and they had kids when really they could have enjoyed their life. 18-year-olds getting $1,000 per year. That's not per payment, per year. So that means you're going to give an unfit mother $300 for doing nothing. But basically, from everything that she's going to be buying, including formula and that kind of stuff for the baby, she's going to be paying it all back to you. that $300 ain't gonna be hers. It's gonna be mostly yours, Dalton McGinty. And to be quite honest, I'm really getting at that time where I'm fed up about hearing this, because we've been receiving phone calls saying about this drug. I don't know, some kind of like prescription thing that they're gonna be not covering the prescriptions or something like that, and to contact Mr. McGinty. I mean, McGinty is doing something wrong. It's to start off this whole new HST thing is going beyond anyone's control. I mean, if you're here to help us, I mean, help us from lower the taxes, not make us pay. That's really my viewpoint, really, because, you know, to be quite honest, I really want money from the government. I mean, if they're going to be offering me money, then offer it to me in a better way. Not offer it to me where I'm going to be paying more tax at the end when I buy something at the store. So that's my viewpoint. You know, I spent 6 minutes talking about this, and I think that's pretty good. I made my sense. So what's yours? Leave me a comment below.